All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're probably saying, come on, how is it possible to do nothing and earn from $0 up to $300,000 monthly and everything in between? Now, of course, I have to say $0 because if I say any other numbers other than zero at the beginning of this, you're probably going to be skeptical. You're probably already skeptical based on the fact that I'm saying $300,000. But let's set all of the skepticism aside and let's pay very, very close attention to what I'm going to share with you in regards to how this actually works. And after that, you can go ahead and click on the link below this video to learn more details and also to get started. Now, there's many ways that this is possible. Just give me 5 minutes to explain a few of them, okay? So, number one, first of all, you need to understand that this is very affordable to the masses. It's only $2 per day. So the point is one of the obstacles that would make this not be feasible is the fact, oh, it's too darn expensive. At $2 a day, $59 monthly, it is affordable to many, many people around America, Canada, around the world. It's affordable. Now, you can also receive unlimited $50 payments direct to you. In addition to everything that I'm about ready to tell you, everyone that joins direct to you, they will be sending you $50 one time for an activation, which adds up to quite a bit of money if you have people that are referred directly to you. Now, this is a real product. It's extremely powerful text marketing platform. People are on their phone 23 hours a week at the bare minimum. People have their phone with them all the time. And when a text message comes in, they usually respond to that within 3 minutes of receiving the text message. So it's a very valuable way for any business to be able to market their product, their service, or their opportunity with the masses, and everybody has a cell phone for the most part. So the product makes absolute sense. Now, we are one big team from the company down. Here's how we get started in as far as being able to help you do nothing and make that money. We are one big team from the company down. We all have the same goal of earning $300,000 every month. Everyone, including the company itself, they have a vested interest in helping everyone make money. Everyone who joins begins their own 3x10 forced matrix, and you'll get details on that on the next video on the link below. And everyone's 3x10 matrix is part of everyone else's 3x10 matrix, allowing us to earn from each other. If you need that graphically, you can watch the other video. You can always reach out to the person that shared this with you so you can get more details and get those questions answered. Bottom line is we're one big team. We all want to earn $300,000 every month. That's the goal. And we do it by helping everyone else get to that goal. It's a vested interest in everyone making money with a valuable product like text marketing. Okay. Now the company shares its customers with all of us. Now most companies, when they do, maybe you're an affiliate with another company like, say, for example, Amazon. If they get their own customers, they got their own customers, and that's too bad. You're not going to get anything from that. But with this, all of the people that have any kind of interest, all of those, the marketing, the videos that they do, that leads to a rotator that directs all of those leads to us via the automated rotator. So that means the company says, hey, we got this great product. This is happening. We're all excited. And then what happens is the people click it and it goes to all of us, you know, whoever's next in line, boom. that person gets the lead. They could potentially get this customer. They would get the $50 and also the monthly from that customer. Powerful, right? So the company is doing videos. They're doing everything they can, training, information, marketing, whatever videos, and all of that goes to all of us. That is something you wouldn't have to do at all because it's all done. All you have to do is register yourself for the Rotator, which takes 1 minute. Okay. Now, myself and my team are marketing this as well, and it benefits you too. So, like I said, everything the company does benefits all of us, and everything myself and my team do as we market this also benefits you a little more directly because you are closer to me and my team. So the company is a big circle, right, of people, and then individually, my team is part of that big circle. Therefore, it can benefit you. So the key is you want to be a part of this, you want to stay a part of this, and you don't want to quit, and you just want to make sure you stay active, maybe engage, and I'll get into that in a minute. But the bottom line is keep your account active so you can reap the rewards of having not only this program completely paid for every month, but making a profit every month of up to $300,000 monthly. Now, once you have 3 customers directly under you, your $2 a day comes out of your earnings and not out of your pocket anymore. Therefore, it's basically free. And everything else beyond that, boop, 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 as everybody comes in, they send their activations to their whoever their sponsor is. They're paying the monthly charges. And guess what? You get a piece of all of that. Anything that's below you within your 3x10 force matrix, you get a piece of that every month forever. Now, these 3 customers can come from the company or anyone else above you or even you yourself. Okay. Now, another way to make this happen, to earn the money, to make it happen quicker is you can make your $2 a day go away faster by sharing this opportunity to, quote, do nothing with others. It is amazing how this works. Most people, the average person, does not like to sell anything. But the minute you start to make money by doing nothing, you start to tell the world about it. And it's a fact. So what happens is you're joining, you activate, all of a sudden you get $50. And all of a sudden you get some money coming in every month. Or maybe now you got 3 people and underneath you directly. And guess what? Now you're not paying really the $59 a month. And now everything else, you're basically playing with the casino's money because it's all covered. And now you're just going to make profit, profit, profit. It's going to grow and grow and grow. And eventually you're going to be earning 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, up to 300,000 a month based on everybody keeping their subscription active for the text marketing platform. Okay. And there's many, many more things going on. But the bottom line, this is just a few to help you understand the ways that you can make money without doing anything because other people are doing things from the company down, from myself down, okay? That is how this works. We're not promising some pie in the sky where you just put your money in, you do nothing, and magically the money just appears. No, there are people that want to share this. The company, myself, we do it on a massive scale. That's how you heard about this. And therefore, that momentum and that energy and that process allows people that don't want to share it, as long as you keep your membership active, to be able to make money without doing anything. So what do you have to do to start making money then? Right? Here's what you need to do. You need to take 5 minutes to activate your spot immediately. Click the link below the video to learn more details and get started. Now the cost, here's the cost. $50 one time goes to your sponsor. And then it's $59 monthly. The $59 monthly will disappear once you have 3 customers, like I stated earlier. They could be someone you referred, friends, family, business people, or something the company referred, or my team referred, or myself referred. I am going to build this. My team is building this. The company's building this because we want to receive $300,000 monthly. So by doing that, it blesses people who are below us next in line. That's how it works. So take 1 minute additionally to add your account to the company Rotator. So we're talking about 6 minutes. So you add yourself to the Rotator by asking the person to share this opportunity with you on how you do it. Takes another minute. So that's 6 minutes. You're in, okay? You really don't have to do anything beyond that. What I want you to do is I want you to act like you are serious about this opportunity. Okay, log into your account every day so you can see what the heck is going on. You can see you're making money, you're not making money. You can maybe do some, do some of the trainings in the back office, educate yourself, learn about the back office, whatever it is, talk to your sponsor, they can share it with you. Because look, you do not want to start receiving money and then not get it out. You want to be able to receive the money, get it out, use it for your bills, whatever, right? You want to be able to get that money out and not just let it sit there. It's like throwing money down the toilet, right? You want to join our Telegram channel, which allows you to get updates via Telegram from the CEO and other people. And you want to attend our trainings every time they occur. Just do it. Maybe it's going to help you learn about some things, about business, about concepts, about money, about the marketing system, everything. You're going to be able to learn all that and stay engaged. And maybe you'll say, maybe I do want to share this with this business owner. Maybe they do want more customers. Text marketing is powerful. It's a powerful way for a business can share its product, its service, or its opportunity, whatever the heck it is, with the world. And plus, you can also, send updates out and specials and things like that. And everybody gets it and they all see it, because most people don't read their emails that often, but almost everyone looks at their texts immediately. Okay, that's the powerful part of this. Now, here's a disclaimer. The disclaimer, I have no guarantees. I cannot guarantee you're going to make money, because that would be unethical and I have morals, okay? But what I am sharing with you can happen with mathematical certainty, meaning that the numbers are here, they're right here in your face, it's right in front of you, and it's based on those numbers. So you can see for yourself how making $0 to $300,000 monthly can happen for you and each and every one of us, okay? That's how it works. This is a very, very small monthly purchase, $2 a day, that has a massive upside, up to $300,000 monthly. And all you have to do is activate your spot by enrolling, sending your sponsor their one-time $50, and then keeping your subscription active, which is $59 monthly, until, of course, you have 3 people directly to you, and then it's basically covered, other than $2. But as it keeps going, it becomes 0, and then it becomes a massive profit, keeps going up and up and up. And it's monthly residual money, meaning that this money will be coming in month after month after month. Everybody that came in the previous month stays active, plus all the new people for the next month, they stay active. And it just grows and grows and grows from $0 to potentially $300,000 monthly. And all you have to do is, it's $59 a month. Plus, you have a great marketing platform to share with people if you wanted to. So that's all you have to do. All you have to do is that you just join our team today. Click the link below this video to go ahead and learn more, and then get started if you choose to. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to the person. You're going to get emails from them since you've already filled out the form. Talk to your sponsor, call them, email them, text them, whatever the heck you've got to do to get your questions answered. Make sure you understand how this works, and just join our team today. It's very affordable, very simple, because you don't have to do anything. Just stay active. Keep your subscription active. Log in, like I said. Stay on top of things, because when you do make money, you want to be able to see it and take advantage of it. With that said, that's it. And we'll see you on the next videos. Have a great day, and best of success to you.